Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country inspired home decor is a warm, cozy, and welcoming decorating style that reflects the charm of rural life. It focuses on simplicity, natural materials, and a lived-in, comfortable feel rather than anything too modern or polished. Here are some beautiful and practical tips to create a cozy, country-inspired home decor that feels warm, simple, and full of charm. Add cozy textiles. Use floral or checkered cushions. Add crochet blankets, dry lace curtains, or tablecloths. These details make your home feel soft and inviting. Decorate with nature. Place fresh flowers in simple vases. Use dried flowers or grass for a rustic touch. Add a few indoor plants. Use vintage and handmade items. Decorate with old chairs, trays, or teacups. Hang vintage frames or signs. Use handmade crafts like crochet or DIY items. Keep it simple and functional. Don't overcrowd your space. Your open shelves for both storage and decor. Choose items that are useful and beautiful. Use light and airy curtains. Choose sheer, lace, or linen curtains. Let natural sunlight fill your room. Style open shelves beautifully. Display plates, mugs, and glass jars. Mix decor plus everyday items. Add a small plant or flower vase. Add warm lighting. Use warm yellow lights instead of bright white. Add lanterns or vintage-style lamps. Use baskets for storage and decor. Store fruits, towels, or kitchen items in baskets. Hang baskets on walls as decoration. Create a simple gallery wall. Use wooden or vintage frames. Add natural prints or cords. Keeps your home personal and meaningful. Decorate with everyday kitchen items. Display wooden spoons, jars, teapots. Use a tray to organize small items. Add a touch of green everywhere. Place small plants in every room. Grow herbs in your kitchen window. Makes your space lively and natural. Layer your bedding for comfort. Use multiple pillows, coils, and straws. Mix floral plus plain fabrics. Mix old and new furniture. Combine vintage pieces with simple modern items. Don't match everything perfectly. Adds personality and charm. Use pretty storage containers. Store items in glass jars, ceramic pots, wooden boxes. Label them for a neat look. Add handmade details. Use crochet, embroidery, or DIY crafts. Even small handmade pieces make a big difference. Small finishing touches matter. Add trees, candles, books, or small decor items. Keep it simple, not crowded. Add plastic mirrors. Use wood framed or distressed mirrors. Place them in hallways, living rooms, or bathrooms. Mirrors reflect light and make spaces feel larger and cozy. Incorporate vintage clocks. Hang a vintage wall clock in your kitchen or living room. Choose distressed wood or metal designs. Display everyday items as decor. Use teapots, milk jugs, rolling pins, or cutting boards on open shelves. Stack old books or plates for visual interest. Bring in natural elements. Display drawings, dried flowers, or wheat stems. Place in vases, jars, or baskets. Use messengers creatively. Store spices, pasta, or coffee beans in jars. Create mini planters or flower vases. Use light jars or lanterns for evening coziness. Layer rugs for comfort. Mix different textures, patterns, and sizes. Add oven or braided rugs in living rooms, bedroom, or kitchen. Paint small accents. Paint wooden shelves or small furniture in soft pastels. Cream, dusty blue, shell green, or soft yellow work best. Create cozy nooks. Add a reading corner with a comfy chair and throw blanket. Include a small side table with a lamp and a plant. Nooks make your home feel lived in and intimate. Mix and match furniture styles. Combine antique chairs with simple wooden tables. Blend old and new furniture pieces. Don't be afraid to mix textures: wood, metal, fabric. Use decorative trays. Place wooden or metal trays on coffee tables or countertops. Organize candles, small chairs, or flowers on them. Can also be a serving tray for guests. Add candles and lanterns. Use pillar candles, lanterns, or tea lights. Offer metal, glass, or wooden holders. Create a soft, warm glow in evenings. Highlight wood features. Expose ceiling beams if possible. Add wooden shelves, frames, or side tables. Use distressed wood or reclaimed furniture. Wood is the heart of country-style home. Let in natural light. Keep windows unlighted or use shade curtains. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect sunlight. Use light-colored fabrics to brighten the room. Decorate with food and drink items. Display jars of honey, coffee beans, or pasta in the kitchen. Use fruit bowls or baskets as decoration. Hang dried herbs or garlic for a rustic touch. Paint small accent pieces. Paint frames, stools, or small furniture in soft pastel or earthy tones. Distressed paint works beautifully for a rustic look. Use chalk paint for a vintage feel. Incorporate vintage items. Use old clocks, lanterns, or signs. Add antique trays, chairs, or teapots. Display heirloom or thrifted pieces. Layer textiles everywhere. Add coins, crochet blankets, or embroidered pillows. Use table runners, cushions, or curtains to add color and texture. Use simple centerpieces, flowers in chairs or vases, baskets with seasonal items like pumpkins or pine cones, candles on wooden trays. Small touches instantly elevate our table or shelf. Thanks for watching the video.